Hi there, thanks for joining us. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to go about renewing your Canadian Super Visa. If you are the parent or grandparent of a Canadian citizen or permanent resident and you have applied for a Super Visa, we will be talking about what are your options for getting that Super Visa extended and what the rules are around getting that visa extended. So please stay with us. We'll be right back. As always, remember to like our videos so that others will see more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified the next time we publish a video. And check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. I'll be right back. Welcome back. My name is Donovan Francis and I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer, and I help businesses and families and individuals with their Canadian immigration applications and save them from having to deal with complicated immigration rules. In this video, I wanted to speak specifically to parents and or grandparents of Canadian citizens and or permanent residents who have already applied for or who are interested in applying for a super visa, Canadian super visa. Now, a Canadian super visa is similar to a regular visitor's visa, but with a major distinction. That is that it is only available to the parents and grandparents of existing Canadians, one, and two, it allows holders, these parents or grandparents, to remain inside Canada for up to 2 years at a time. Now, ordinarily, when one is issued a Canadian visa, you are generally only allowed to remain inside Canada for up to 6 months at a time. And if you are desirous of remaining beyond that, then you either have to leave Canada and return or apply for an extension of time, okay? For parents and grandparents of Canadian citizens and permanent residents, however, they have the option of applying for a different visa, one that's different from a regular visitor's visa, and this is called a super visa. The super visa can be valid for up to 10 years or up to the expiry date written in your passport, whichever comes earliest. But the super visa can be valid for up to 10 years, so that's one. But that doesn't mean that the parent or grandparent can remain in Canada for 10 years without ever leaving Canada. What it means is that you will not have to apply for a new super visa until after 10 years have passed. But your visa is only something that allows you to travel to Canada. Your ability to remain inside Canada is determined by your status inside Canada, all right? So the holder of a super visa is able to travel to Canada at any point in time over a 10-year period. But when they arrive at the airport inside Canada, they will typically be allowed, be issued either a stamp or some kind of a visitor record that allows them to remain here for up to 2 years at a time, which is unlike that of a regular visitor who would only be allowed to remain inside Canada for 6 months. Okay, so that's the distinction. But what happens after that parent or grandparent has been inside Canada for 2 years? What do they do, right? So they already have a super visa that's good for all of 10 years, but the duration of time, their status inside Canada would only have been good for 2 years. So what happens when they reach that 2-year marker? Well, the holder of this super visa has the option of departing Canada and then returning to Canada, at which point, upon return to Canada, they would then be issued a new status document, allowing them to remain here for another 2 years. Do remember that while the super visa allows the parent or grandparent to remain in Canada for up to 2 years, the immigration officer, you know, the border services, the Canadian Border Services officer who they meet when they arrive at the airport, has the power, the discretionary power to allow them to remain in Canada for a shorter period of time. And we've actually seen situations where the holders of a super visa were actually only allowed to remain for 6 months, even though the super visa technically allows them to remain for up to 2 years. So it's important to bear in mind that the immigration officer does have that discretionary power, though it is uncommon for them to require that the holder only remains in Canada for 6 months. All right, so that's what the holder of a super visa may be able to do. Alternatively, persons who are inside Canada temporarily, including super visa holders, may apply to extend their status in Canada from inside Canada, right? But that is something that would need to be done before your term inside Canada ends. And so in the case of a parent or a grandparent who is here on a super visa, you would want to apply to extend your status before your 2-year period here expires. Not after it expires, but before it expires. You apply to extend your status inside Canada, and that's an alternative option that's going to be available to hold the holder of a super visa inside Canada. Okay? So I trust you found value from this video. As always, remember to like our videos so others may see more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified the next time we publish a video. And check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. If you need to contact us or if you need to schedule a call with us, just check us out on go.gooselaw.com. Thank you and see you again.